Cook hits it right inside of him, splits the safeties, and off to the races.
Montgomery back in on 3rd and 7. Motion from Laporta right to left. Goff back to pass. Pressure coming, and he's gobbled up for the sack. Von Miller and Greg Rousseau there, and it looks like they'll probably share it. As they got there at the same time, the meeting point was number 16, and they hit him simultaneously. Gives the lone setback to the left of Goff. Here's the snap. 3-step drop, looking, pocket collapsing, looking over the middle, and it's caught. And now it's fumbled. The ball is out. Are they going to say incomplete pass? They're going to say down by contact.
Amon-Ra St. Brown is still fighting for yards.
Ball's out.
As Christian Benford knocks that ball out, and the Bills come up with the recovery.